This is my Craftsman CMEF900 I bought last fall. Used it about 3 times and it froze up. Just makes a buzzing noise. I called Sears. They promptly sent me another one, no questions asked. So let's tear apart the old one and see if we can fix it. Alright, first thing we want to do is pull this end cap off. Now that that's out of the way, let's pull these clips off the brushes. Kind of hard to do one-handed here. Next thing you want to do is remove these 4mm Allen screws. And here's the problem. Evidently, this little plastic piece jostled out of place and is rubbing on the cooling fins. I originally intended to put a little bit of silicone on it, but I seem to not have any. So we'll just put a little bit of epoxy on here. It's just got to hold it in place. Hopefully if I ever want to take it apart, it'll come apart.